Hello everyone, this is Sandy An for Hanja Bible. This time we are going to look at this character, meaning bird, and the pronunciation E, E. A link is given for lecture material below. On the index, we are here now, bird. We have seen the fundamental three characters, which mean sky, earth, and man, Chanjin, we have learned, and the other four characters which are related to the creation. Okay, now we are here. Yeah, in Korean language, Se means bird, means a Korean pronunciation. Chinese pronunciation is E, tone number 3. Just like this, the shape of the tone number 3, yeah, just like this. E, yeah. It's one stroke radical, came from the first character. The hidden meaning was sky, God. Okay, mathematically, this dot makes this one, this one, this one, yeah, line. Dots make lines. So in this way, this character came from the dot, the first character meaning sky, and this character meaning bird, Korean Hanja and Chinese traditional, simplified, all same form, one of the 214 radicals. Uh, it's the shape of a bird swimming or waving on the water in harmony, taking left and right balance. You can remember this character in this way. But I would like to take the symbolic and signatory interpretation method. In that way, this character is the shape of movement of things through a bird swimming on the water. So this character represents the movement of things through a bird swimming on the water or flying in the air. Okay, and the dictionary meaning is a bird, and in the Oriental philosophical concepts, there is a Xiutiangan. I will explain this later. So the second of 10 heavenly items, the second in order, and the second party, and curved, crooked, bent, bowed. Yeah, all of these dictionary meanings are left in Korean Hanja dictionary and the Chinese dictionaries. Okay, but hidden meanings are much more important, as I told you repeatedly. The hidden meanings, you can imagine a bowed person, body bowed, who is begging, pleading, imploring. Yeah. Please try to remember these hidden meanings. Okay, and The next issue for Chinese character learners, why this character bird has the specific tone number 3. Because it's the shape of a swimming or waving bird in harmony, taking left and right balance. So tone number 3. Having left and right, taking balance, waving, fluctuating on the water or in the air. Yeah. So with these conceptual values, we can memorize this character as having tone number 3. Okay, what do you think about these interpretations? If you like it, I'm expecting many more lectures actually. Please subscribe and recommend your friend or your kids who are learning Chinese characters. Okay, thank you very much for your listening and see you next time.